Hi everybody, I'm attorney IAN CORZINE and welcome to the Heart of the Matter YouTube channel. I own a Southern California law firm called West CORZINE where my attorneys and I practice business, insurance, and social media law. I have a passion for social media and I truly enjoy breaking down complex trending topics into simple terms. And I love a little adventure too. So I guess I'm not your average lawyer, and if you're watching this, I bet you're not average either. Press the subscribe button if you want to join me. Together, we'll explore the legal side of this wonderful and sometimes crazy world of social media, and I promise you, we'll get to the heart of the matter.